Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to use viewpoints. Viewpoints are templated visualization that you have access to from your homepage or on the viewpoints menu here. A viewpoint, you can preview it and you'll see it's a selection of component type and references that you can apply to one or several components. So for example, if I open this viewpoint from a specific application, let's say Salesforce CPQ, for example, I can also select several if I want. Then this viewpoint is going to be applied to my selection. I can switch the context of my viewpoint by simply selecting a different application here. For example, the private pricing database. I can expand my visualization by double-clicking on a component. That is going to give me an overview of all the fields that this component has. And also I can expand the datasets by showing the organizational unit that consume the application I double-click on, for example. So I can hide and show the different components here. If you want to save your viewpoint, you can click on Save as a Viewpoint here. So either you update an existing one or you create a new one. You can save it and you'll find them on the homepage here, all the saved viewpoints.